None. Start by peeling 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Crush or finely chop them to release allicin, garlic's magic compound. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Next, pop that garlic into a small bowl and mix it with a tablespoon of raw honey. Want an extra kick? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for some spicy warmth. Take a spoonful of this mix 2 to 3 times a day, especially when symptoms start. Don't forget to drink plenty of water to wash it down and stay hydrated. Remember, raw garlic and raw honey are key for maximum benefits. And if that taste is too strong, mix it into warm, not hot, water or herbal tea. Consistency is your friend here, so keep at it. And of course, rest and hydration are crucial. If things don't improve, consult a healthcare pro. Stay healthy and natural, folks.